Normally I flip my closet twice a year. All of my winter stuff usually goes up, my summer stuff comes down, and then in the fall my summer stuff goes up and my winter stuff comes down. But as you can see, the quarantine, stay at home, COVID fiasco that we are in, I have not changed my closet. I have some summer things, I have winter things, I have empty hangers, I have a mess up there, I have a mess below. So here we go. I think there's only one way to really tackle this closet fatigue syndrome that I have going on right now. All right, here we go. So there's no place other to start except for right here in the freaking middle. Sorry, Cuff, you're gonna have to vacate, buddy. So we're just gonna throw it all down. Like I said, because I didn't do what I was supposed to do in the spring, I have now mixed winter, fall, spring, and summer clothes all together. I also have almost ripped down this pole, which, mind you, is my second pole because I broke the one that the builder put in 18 years ago. Oh, look, heavy sweater. I just hope that by the time I get all these clothes on the floor, I can actually make it out of my closet alive. By the way, there's 2 sets of clothing racks. Y'all wish y'all were here? Don't you wish you had a messy closet like mine? So let me tell you a few things about why we are doing this. One is because it is chaotic and disorganized and I have too much shit in here. But 2, when I get the urge to go thrift store shopping for my own self for clothing, what I really should be doing is shopping my own closet. Especially when you have this many clothes. There is no reason to hit the stores. I'm gonna have to readjust my chair. I normally keep them all on their hangers and normally they're quite organized. Oh look, there's no place like home. There's no place like home. Ruby red slippers. And normally I have them all in hangers where I just shift them and they're already hung, but because I was lazy and I didn't come up here in the spring and flip my closet, they're all messed up. I wonder if I could just step on, oh I can. See, don't try this at home, thrifters. It's very dangerous. This is called Clothing Mountain. Hiking is at your own risk. And when I'm finished, all of these plastic hangers that came from stores are going to be gone as well. Oh look, more winter things. Jackets. Dresses. I may have to readjust again to reach some of this stuff up there. Nope. Okay, so all the clothing is down from the top. And because I'm lazy sometimes, I throw things over there and then I lose track of what I have. Okay. Oh, cute little jeans I forgot I had. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the bottom rack right where it is. I'm gonna show you what happens if I can make it over to the camera without killing myself. This is what happens when you have too many clothes on your hanger. See how I ripped that off of this whole thing off of the wall, and then my husband had to put up a new pole and then super duper reinforce it with a big heavy duty screw that goes all the way into the metal frame of the house. Panting. This is my clothes mountain, by the way. Underneath all of that biz are purses and scarves. Oh, you can't even see. And then over here are my shoe racks, which aren't really all that bad. But we are going to definitely organize. We're going to organize my shelves because it is necessary. Yeah. So the reason that we are doing this is because, do you see all these clothes? I selected these clothes. They were hand selected by me. I normally don't buy something unless I either love it in some way, form, or fashion. So at some point in the last maybe 4 years, I bought these things, most of them secondhand, because I loved them. So why on earth would I go shopping for more things when I have a whole closet of things that I either love or once loved or forgot I loved? I don't know. So I am going to, on top of organizing the closet, I'm going to shop my closet. And I'm going to rediscover why I bought them in the first place and see if I can't reclaim that passion that I had at one point for them. And who knows, maybe I will bag up some things and donate them. Maybe I will rediscover them and have all these new outfits. There are some things I could probably maybe cut the sleeves off, or I did lose a lot of weight in the last year when I started my CrossFit class. So there are probably a lot of things in here that don't fit me. So I'll see if I can repurpose them in some way, form, or fashion, and then if not, then I will bag them up and donate them. But my goal is to keep them from, you know, being trashed at some point and ending up in landfills when I could, you know, possibly reclaim my love for them. So that's my goal. And we're just gonna see what happens with this. Super excited. I have a full day to get these clothes off the floor before my husband comes home tomorrow, but it needs to be done, so we're gonna do it. All right, until next time when we go with part 2 of organizing my closet transformation, I will catch up with you guys next week. All right, you'll have a great week, and see if you can't go in your closet and shop your own closet. And let's get thrifty. No, let's get thrifty. Cheers. Let's get thrifty, y'all. Cheers. Let's be shopaholics in our own closet. Yeah. Okay.